How to log into CapCut with email on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application on your device and make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. And as you launch the CapCut application on your device, you just have to give it some time until it gives us the option to land into the CapCut page over here. So let's tap on agree and continue over here. Now you just have to confirm that you are over 13 years old to receive any sort of advertisements as well. So let's agree and continue. Now if you want to log in, simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. So let's wait until this gives us the option to skip. And as we skip the ads over here, simply tap on this person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen where it says me, and as you tap on the me option, you can here tap to sign in. So let's tap on sign in. So you can sign in with Google, sign in with email, or sign in with Facebook. So if you want to sign in with email, you can simply tap on sign in with email over here, and then simply enter your email address over here, enter your password and continue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.